We're back here, and this is Engineer Randel, our project manager for ITC, and this is our CBB. Ikot ko po ulit kayo. We have a few equipment here, and right now we're going to talk about the main activity for today, and it's going to be the PDA testing. So we have 36 files here. 35 will be under the building, and this one is just a test file. It's outside the building. This is the 36th file, and we have to test this one first to check if it meets the structural standards before we proceed to the other 35. So what are we doing here today, engineer?
Good afternoon. Right now, we are doing some test files, what we call the file dynamic analysis, or let's say PDA
All
testing.
right.
So actually, we have two files for the PDA test, but right now we will conduct one test file only. Right now, I'll explain to you for the system for this PDA. So we have a PDA here. This is the file. We have a drop hammer around 20 tons. This is what you call the
So the
upside.
rusted one, the brown reddish one up to here is the hammer, and from here down is the casing.
Yes, sir. And then first, we have to know the file capacity of this file is around 8,700 kilonewton. So we will use the 20 tonners weight for the file. So we have a factor of safety for this test file multiplied by 2. So it will reach around 17,000 kilonewton. This is the ultimate capacity. If we reach this capacity for this compressive strength of this pile, we can
Right.
say it pass.
So double.
Double, yes.
So that means if we have a 9-story building, can we build 18 stories
Yeah.
instead?
Yes, sir.
Theoretically, right? But we won't
Yes.
do that, of course.
The depth of this pile is around 32 meters
Mm.
by 1,800 millimeter dia.
Wow, that's big.
Yeah.
Gaya ng sabi ng iba, para na pong ano to, flyover. Yeah, this is about the same size as most of the flyovers we have here in Metro Manila, and we're gonna have 35 of those inside the building, and we're pretty safe. Maybe they designed it for more floors, right? So what will happen this afternoon?
Okay, we will conduct this test file this afternoon. Now we're setting up for the apparatus of the machine to be used for this compressive strength.
Mm.
Okay, so after that, we can proceed to the other PDA again.
All right, so I'll zoom you over to some of the parts of the testing. Okay, so what's that opening over there, where we place the sensors?
We made the window, we cut the steel casing there to expose the concrete. And then we have to drill down and then put the sensors for the machine that we will use to read the data of this file.
What's the difference between the PDA and the static test?
The static test and the PDA, we can tell that one is both of them are
Mm-hmm.
compressive file or compression for testing like that,
Mm-hmm.
but different method only.
Okay.
So right now we are doing the PDA. Yeah, this is also static, but this is PDA. And then we will use this high strain system.
Mm-hmm.
So what I mean high strain, because we will drop the 20 tonner drop hammer there to the file, so we can read the strength of this file. Yeah. Regarding the static, we have a system of a Kinley system. We have to use the beam, the jack, and then the load blocks. Different system of this. The static lead system, I'm telling you, this is most expensive than this
Yes,
PDA.
yes, yes. That's why we're doing the PDA
Yeah,
instead. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Especially we're in the province, we have to mobilize a lot of equipment and weights to be able to do that. Good afternoon. We are now in the farm. Dito po kami lumaki. Farm tuloy. Dito po kami sa site. This is our CBB project, and we are doing the Chancery project. So can you tell us more about Chancery project? This is Engineer Nilo, our project engineer.
Hi.
This is Engineer Randel, our project manager. So what can you tell us about this project?
This is the Chancery project, sir. Right now, we're on the foundation works. So, meron po tayong 36 piles po dito na ibabaon for the 9-story buildings.
Okay.
This is a mixed-use na building. This is a 5-star hotel.
Wow. So possibly the first 5-star in Bacolod pag nauna tayo matapos. Pag hindi, di magiging second. But
Hopefully, sir.
yeah, but the plan should be, the final plan should be out in this month or next month. We hope to start that project soon also, or the superstructure as we call it. And what equipments do we have here?
We have here the orange one is
This
the hydraulic rig machine.
Yeah.
Then we have our backhoe,
This one,
that
Sure.
one, backhoe.
our
Then,
excavator. This is one of our excavators, and we just sent this fresh from which project? From our
From P1U.
P1U project, Laguna, all the way here. And I think that was together with this,
roller crane.
what do you call this? The track of the hammer and the 20-ton hammer. Okay, what else do we have here?
Yung crane po natin is for the service crane po natin. Yan po yung nagbubuhat ng mga bakal natin pag nag-i-install po tayo.
Okay.
Then, yan din po yung ginagamit natin pag nag-i-install po tayo ng mga casings natin.
Alright, so the casings are the cage.
Yes, sir. Ito po, yung mga cage po
The
natin.
cage of the rebars, but the casing is actually just this one, a few meters below this ground. What else?
We have here another crawler crane. So, ito po yung gagamitin po natin para sa sa testing po natin ng PDA test.
So this is the first PDA test. This is actually our first file for this project, and we're gonna talk about that later in a while. Ano pang nandito ngayon?
So far, sir, yun po yung mga equipments natin. Apat din. Meron din po tayo dun sa dulo, sir. Crane attached din po yun na kilibar.
The Kelly bar, which will be attached to the
Sa mobile crane din
Sa
po
mobile
natin.
crane.
Later on, para magamit din po natin sa pagbubutas po natin, sir.
So he's saying that we can use the hydraulic one and this roller crane both
Yes, sir.
at the
Yes,
same
sir.
time for piling. That means magkasabay yung dalawa.
Opo.
Sana. Sana kaya. So expect some noise and movements and a little quaking here and there. We're back, and after this test, we're hoping that the designer will approve on site right away to proceed to the next PDA test. So the next PDA test will be done inside, and it's gonna be permanent already. And you think our designer would sign on the spot to proceed with the next one?
I think so, sir. If, most probably, the result of this test file is much higher than this allowable. They will convince.
Yeah. Because normal
Yes, yes.
procedure is our testing company here, third party, of course, outsourced, approved by the owner, the designer, and us, ITC, the contractor. We decided to go with this testing company as their reputation precedes them to be accurate and efficient. And what we're going to do here later by 1 o'clock is to drop the hammer. So after we drop the hammer, how soon can we get the readings?
When the drummer be dropped, we can read the readings there. The apparatus or the system will tell us if this file is already passed or not yet for the first drop. If the allowable capacity or the ultimate capacity is not reached by this hammer or one drop, we will make another drop.
Okay. So normally, it would take some of the testing facilities to prepare a formal report for that will take about 3 to 7 days. That will be a lot of time for us for a schedule because there's nothing we can do while waiting for those 7 days, right? We're really hoping that they approve on the spot today so that we can proceed with our PDA2, which will be that one. So we started the boring already there, and if approved, we're gonna pour that tomorrow.
Hopefully Saturday, sir.
Saturday. So we still have, because we still have to put down the cage and the other parts and schedule with everyone. All right. Thank you. This is Architect Mikey, CEO of ITC, and we are in CBB, Bacolod. So CBB stands for Chancery Bacolod Board Filing. And you want to see the site again? This is where the building will be, phase 1. And this is our field office. It's quite large. It's ready for the superstructure where we have more engineers coming in and architects hopefully very soon. And that's our service entrance, so we don't use the main road. for our service entrance. That's Lacson Street, and this is side road. We have a standby
Chain
generator,
na.
and this area is still open. We're gonna have some utilities and back of house here soon, depending on the final design. But at least we have some space here to work on. Thank you for being with us today. See you till the next update for this project and the other projects. Bye.